You know how they used to be like, eat your broccoli, eat your green beans, eat your spinach. You be like, I don't want no damn green beans. I don't want no damn broccoli. But when I was a kid, whatever my mama ate, that's what I ate.
Pirates on the stove, whipping it, 4 bitches naked, cutting, all my niggas with it, we ready, and we got the chopper, let's get it. Back in the kitchen, we back in the kitchen. I
know I be having trouble with biscuits and eggs and stuff, you feel me? So let's see, can I do it this time? Okay. 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 I did it. I did it. I did it. Come down like that. Then you season it. And you put it here like that. Yeah, you did it a couple of times. You got to eat healthy, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say it. I'm just gonna say it. Black people have blood pressure, diabetic. You know when you're diabetic? We got to cut it out. We got to change stuff. And I got this pita bread. Yeah, when you got to turn that degrees on. You got to agree. I put it in the stove. We're gonna take a little time, bring it out with that TV magic. I'm gonna go take care of some more business, like smoke something like quick. So while I'm doing that, check out the Fiction Every Word of the Day. My mama said.
When people talk shit about you,
I don't really give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck.
Pirates on the stove, whipping it.
Yeah, y'all look at that, cut it in half. Today's Fictionary word is a trip. Insta-hate. You know every time you put something on your Instagram or your social media and stuff, somebody instantly hate on it? Man, they need to find them some business, man. Or get their own Instagram that people like. And stop hating so much. I know one thing they ain't gonna insta-hate on, though. Is this right here. Yeah. Yeah. Another one. Eat healthy.
Pirates on the stove, whipping it, 4 bitches naked, cutting, all my niggas with it, we ready, and we got the chopper, let's get it. Back in the kitchen, we back in the kitchen, back in the kitchen, we back in the kitchen.